Yes, hello, good night. Welcome to Global Watch Media. Please tell a friend, tell a friend. Now we again. So, Jamaica, let me ask you a question. I'm watching a video a while ago. I may just hear a woman in the House of Parliament specifically stated that Jamaica have not yet spent the money they got from the relief. Tell me this is not true. Them try to tell the nation say they must spend government money. No. For all of those who don't know, government don't got no money. Every money that the government get from the IMF is to put into the country. So there's no government fund or government money. Let's get that clear. Okay? And for UNO, come on national TV and I tell people say, the government have not yet spent the money that them get from the relief fund, from FEMA, what them supposed to spend on the island, because them are trying to figure out how to spend the relief money that they got, so them go in a feed them government fund and start spend out of the government fund. When you done last on a goddamn mind, I want to take Jamaican people them for one piece of puppy show. I don't think you can just do anything you want and get away with it. Jamaican, I'm about to say this, and I'm saying this with love. People of Jamaica, are the most spineless human being me ever see. I'm say this with a lot of love. Me I tell you this. This could not happen in no other nation where the people them take to the street already and start demonstrate. How much more act of treason this man I go pull off for uno before they rise up and say, yo, Jamaica, no more. All I know, gunman of that Jamaica. How want a bus gun for? And that me want to know. Because no one tell me say, them get rid of the whole of the damn them because them find out all of the mineral them with them having at Jamaica. And them know say there's no way these mineral companies could have come at Jamaica to come dig for no mineral without the damn them get for them own, because they don't know the system run already. Right now, I'm going to expose everything. The damn them with a step go over there and make them know, say, listen, now work can't perform, yes, sir, until we get our own. I guess because the government, them don't want them thing to expose. This is say, them not no control. What them do? Them kill off the man them, the same man them will fight to put them in a power. Them kill them off. Knowing say these man supposed to get for them share too. Because of these man help them forget which part them there. Them kill off the man them. I know them a try kill off everybody else in a Jamaica. Me hear a person ask say, away, send Westmoreland do Andrew, make him a light down there. And St. Elizabeth. Him a light down there because I down them originally from. If you don't know. All of them Spanish town thing here where them attack. Him real father from down there. Andrew's a fucking jacket. That's why him treat Jamaican like that. Him father is a white man. Him mama give him father a jacket. That's why him do all of the thing them when him do to Jamaican. Him despise Jamaican. All you see him a go on there. Him go all the way down to Israel, go kiss wall and convert himself and come back to Jamaica with him Judaism and I try to spread it throughout Jamaica. You try to starve people down at Jamaica. I try to kill off people with sickness. Now you talk about you have something under that sclerosis down at Jamaica. You know say you don't have none of them things down at Jamaica. You try to frighten the nation. So now, every time somebody did, you're going to say, that are the cause. Andrew is one wicked man. I mean, I tell you, say, if them people here at Jamaica don't get up and go out in the street or march, you gonna keep on doing what you're doing and getting away with it. And them think God are gonna come save them or nobody else are gonna come save them. If them not try save themselves, Jamaica, only is one doomed nation. If we continue let this man doing what he's doing and continue getting away with it. That's all me have to say on the matter. But them get money and not spend money yet and go in a government fund. What fund government have? Every fund wanna have a thief on a thief it. On a thief from the airport, on a thief from the wharf, on a thief from freight train. Me don't know how one on a thief from. But yet one time the youth them go outside and go do the same thing. When lock up the youth them, when they kill off the youth them, when nobody not kill off uno and nobody not lock up uno. Uno nastiness, uno go and load the youth them. And you uno are wicked, you know. Uno are wicked. Me are nothing with the government. I mean I talk about JLP or PMP. Nothing with you know. Because the whole of uno is a bunch of back and belly rat, spineless human being who don't care for nobody but uno self or uno family. Straight me I tell you. Global Watch Media. Tell a friend for tell a friend away again. Boom, 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 boom. Happy Thanksgiving to the whole world and the nation. Bless up.